Hello there, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Arita. If you are stopping here for the first time, welcome. And if you are not, welcome back. Okay, so in today's video, I want to show you different ways you can actually tie a headscarf to make it look fashionable. So if you're ready, just keep watching this video. Scarf number one. We're going to be wearing this scarf like a headband. Just tie it almost the size of a headband, right? Are you seeing? Then just go over it again. You can pull it at the back so that it just, this is what I actually call a headband scarf. You can just tie the excess to something. If you have a hair, just fasten it there so that it doesn't loosen. Then you can the size of the headband. That's the whole essence of this. Then you can arrange your hair. So this style is actually called like a headband scarf. So are you seeing how it looks really cute? It looks like the size of a headband. And you can just wear it like this to anywhere you're going to, and it will still look cute. Style number two. Just take the scarf again. Take the scarf again, put it like this. Are you seeing? Put it like this. Tie a knot in front. Tie a knot in front. Roll up. Roll it. Roll it, roll it, roll it. Roll it and tie it at the back. Tie it at the back. Arrange your hair and then that's style number two. Style number three, I'm going to tie this normal way. This is another style. This is style, so it looks like at the back. Style number four. Style number 5. We're going to take this. You see, tuck in loose ends on both sides. Tuck it in so it doesn't. So, yep, this is it. This is style number 5. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to keep learning more, just keep watching my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments in the comment section. I'll be sure to reply. Don't forget to share this video to someone who really needs it. All right, so thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next video. All right, bye.